Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video we are doing an analysis on weekly analysis on GBP XAUSD and USD card, maybe and some other one. But let's go into the video without wasting much of our time. Now, today this is GBSD on monthly time frame. And if you are following me, you will know that I came to monthly time frame to check the last month candle. I'm not here to check anything or do any other thing, just to know what does the candle of the last month present. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to know for monthly time frames. And since we are at the end of the month of March is rounding up, so I think that's why I'm here. So seeing this, we have a bullish candle here, which indicates bullish momentum in the market on a monthly time frame. So which is by the end of this month, which is on Monday, by Tuesday we'll be in new month. So we should be expecting a bullish move. So with that, let's continue on a weekly time frame. What do we have? My network is kind of slow. So on a weekly time frame, what are we having? So now on weekly time frame, we have this three rejection candle here. This one, two, three. This three rejection candle is indicating itself. So, but with that, what should we do? Let's continue refining our analysis on a daily time frame. Let's see. Now, on daily time frame, we have this consolidation level here, this range, which also serves as the weak rejection we are seeing on weekly time frame. This is what causes it on. So this thing now, and so this three candle here. So this is what we are seeing here on daily time frame. This is what we are seeing here on daily time frame. My network is very slow, which means this consolidation has been here for the 3 weeks. So this consolidation have here for the 3 weeks. So after this consolidation, I'm expecting markets to push to the upside. But mind you, market might come down a little bit before going to the upside. Anyhow, so let's just continue our analysis. Now, on the 4 hour. Now, on the 4 hour, I have the trend, the consolidation well shown here. We have this consolidation here. So what should we be expecting? Ideally, I'll be expecting a buy because we are on a bullish move, checking from the monthly time frame. But still, we can't just decide based on what we see on monthly time frame and start to be buying like that. No, market might reverse down a little bit before it continue its buy. It will surely buy, but it might just come down a little bit before going to the upside. So our own duty now is to just wait the market to decide on where you want to go from this consolidation level here. From this consolidation level, because when I'm seeing this on daily time frame, I'm seeing this candle, this bullish candle here, or this bullish candle here. I'm seeing all these gaps, invalid FVG imbalance. I'm seeing all this imbalance here. So market might want to come down to fill it up, or decided to go and come back to it later. Whatever it does, you have to be very patient. But right now on GBUSD, I'm not having a setup yet. I'll be looking at it closely during the week to see whatever the market is ready to give me. So coming down to 2 hours, let's see. I still haven't seen anything to hold on to. I'm not seeing anything to hold on to right now. I'm not seeing anything to hold on to right now. On 1 hour. 1 hour. Still nothing. I still don't have anything yet. Still don't have anything yet. This is 15 minutes. If can see something to hold on to here. Market is ranging here. Another consolidation inside consolidation. This one here, this level is another consolidation from here to here. So let's see. This consolidation might hold the market and push it back up and continue to go to the upside. So whatever it does, I will be waiting to catch the move. But right now, on a bigger time frame, I've not seen. Let's go to 4 hours. I've not seen anything to hold on, enough to hold on to. So let me see. I think I'm having this other block here. I think I'm having this other block here. I think I'm having this other block here. On 1 hour, on 4 hour, I'm having this other block here. So market might comes into this other block and it moves. Market might come into this and move. So I'll be waiting here and just wait for the reaction that happens around here before I decide on where to go. Let me go to 15 minutes. Finding it here. This thing looks confusing. Let's just leave it like that. Let's see if we can see anything on 1 hour. Okay. Nothing yet. So I'll be waiting here. This will serve as my liquidity. This place here. This will serve as my liquidity. This is my liquidity here. My liquidity will be here. And my imbalance is here to here is my imbalance around here. So I'll be waiting for you to move from here. But I'm not taking this trade aggressively. I will wait for confirmation because I know the market may want to sweep liquidity of this entire range before it started moving to the upside. Yes, it may want to sweep the liquidity of this entire range before it started moving to the upside. So with that, I'll be very patient when I want to take this trade. I'm not taking any aggressive trade entry from here. So that's it on GBP USD. That's my outlook. That's my own bias. That's what I will be expecting for next week. Now let's move down to another pair, which is XAU USD. So here we are. So now let's back to 1 hour, 1 month as usual. Now on this. So now on monthly time frame of on XAUSD, we have this aggressive bullish move. So this bullish move. So which is also indicating next month might also be a bullish candle. Might also be a bullish candle, which means it's not guaranteed. Might also be a what? Bullish candle, which means it's not guaranteed. So with for it to be valid for us, there should be some confluences, some other reasons that will back the bullish move for us. We are not just taking any trade anyhow. Now on the weekly time frame, we also have this. After we have this break of structure here, market have not really come back down, and there is an imbalance around here. There's an imbalance around the market have not really come down to fill this imbalance or to do a retracement to the downside before another impulsive move. So, but with that, we're still going to be waiting for price to do whatever I wanted to do before we take our actions. Now, on daily time frame, still having our bullish move. I believe I have this small break of structure here. I have this small break of structure on daily time frame. That's the last break of structure. There's other break of structure here, but I'm not going going to be waiting for price to come here on daily time frame. This is more unrealistic and it will take more time. Not really, not it's not like it's not realistic, but it will take more time before market will come here. From here to this on daily time frame, remember. So that's why I'm just focusing on this first before I will then be focusing on this. This one is more late. Now let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour now. This is the BOS that we have on a daily time frame. This BOS on a daily time frame. Let me shift it a bit. Let me adjust. So this is the BOS on a daily time frame, and market is still moving upside. All right. So with this, there is no any other thing here to look out for. If we are going to look out for our point of interest here, let's see. I'm going to look for a point of interest here. All this zone are just have been mitigated, everything have been mitigated. So I think the only one that still have chances of coming back to all this year. I think this one. Yeah. I think this one. So now let's go to 1 hour. Okay, now on 1 hour, I can see the candlestick clearly now. Normally I should just take only this small one, but I just want to take the entire range together. Let me just take the entire range here because this is a range happens here before this impossible, and we have this imbalance here as well. So which means this will be serving as my liquidity, and I think market will create more liquidity before it gets to the to my point of interest. So I believe market will create more liquidity. Excuse me, let me adjust this line. Okay. So we have this line. Okay, just. All right. So this will serve my liquidity. Market will create more when coming to the downside. Then I'll be looking forward to take trade from here. I'm not taking aggressive entry. I'll be waiting for confirmation before I take my entry here. So this is my setup on XAUSD as well. I'm having this. Market might come like this. Now I'll have this just a little below. I'll be targeting ratio 3. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm okay with 1:3. I'll be targeting 1:3 but I'll be waiting for confirmation entry here before I continue, before I take my trade. So that's it on XAU USD. Now let's go to USD card. As usual, we go to monthly time frame as well. In the monthly time frame, let's okay. On the monthly time frame here on USD card is looking interesting. I swear, very interesting. It's looking interesting because on the monthly time frame here we have this high that has been created since 2016. Market came back there, and then 2020, and now 2025. Markets came back there again. 2016, 2020, that's 4 years interval, and 2025 around 45 years interval. Again, market going back there again. So which means I'm expecting this market to push to the downside on the monthly time frame. Now let's go to weekly time frame since we have a bearish candle for the month. So let's go to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I'm seeing a pattern kind of double top but it's not well formed. Double top is not well formed. So let's continue. This is our last break of structure here on the weekly time frame. The obvious break of structure here. This is the obvious break of structure here. This is the obvious one. And there's a tiny one around here, but when we get to smaller time frame, we'll be marking that one. So this is a BOS here, the obvious one. Now let's go to daily. So getting to daily time frame, we have this BOS as well. I have this one. This one here. I have this BOS. I have this BOS. And market has not come to the origin here, the order block there. Market has not come back to tapping. Market just react on the imbalance. It doesn't even cover the imbalance finish. So market just reverse. So let's go to 4 hour and let's see. Oh, mind you, I noticed something on daily time frame before we go so that I won't get confused. This is not the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure that we have here. This one here should be the last break of structure. This one. On a daily time frame, this is not the last break of structure. This is the last one here. Let me see. This cover. So this is the last break of structure, then which means since we have this last break of structure, this is now our change of character. So we are having a change of character here. Change of character, which simply means market is now shifting from bullish move to the bearish trend, which is bullish trend to bearish trend, anyone you want to call it. Now, since we have this now, this place might not hold. Since we have this one now, that's why it's very important to pay attention to details. When you are doing analysis, you pay attention to details. So, you are already having this one as a point of interest before maybe market is just coming and but what we have on weekly and monthly time frame is giving us a bearish bias. So with that, it gives me more reason to be very careful when I'm taking trade. I will look more I'll pay more attention to details so that I will not be leaving any stone unturned. So with this now, I think the market is now changing to the bearish move now, because after we have this change of character, market reverts back to the origin that caused the break of structure. The change of character, I mean, give us a pattern, a V pattern of liquidities here, and it's coming to the downside. So, which means we should be looking for a sell. We should be looking for a sell. And now it's now tally with what we have on weekly and the monthly time frame now. So our monthly time frame bias and weekly time frame bias is now aligned with the 4 hour now. So which means you should be looking for anywhere to have a sell. Anywhere to have a sell. Anywhere to have a sell. So on the 4 hour, anywhere, let me see. After this is the last. So this one has not been taken out. This internal distance, internal liquidity. So no, this one have not been breaking out. So this low here, this last low here have not been taken out. So which means market is still within this range, this place. Market is still within this range, this one here, and this one here. Market is still within this range. Because this, after this high, this is the low that happens, and this has not been taken out. So to confirm this my move for me, I will be more interested in market breaking this low. After market breaking this low and give me a reversal and any where to join this. So now on 1 hour now, What are we having on 1 hour? Okay, we have this origin here. The origin, this other block here. The market has came there to tap it. This one. This one. If you notice, markets already came to the imbalance, feel the imbalance and start moving. Before it's now come back again here to tap into here one, then come back, tap into it again. Give us a what is it called? M pattern here for moving to the downside. So let's go to our entry time frame 15 minutes to see what is happening there clearly. Okay, all right. We are now on this 15-minute time frame now. This is where I'm talking about. So let me adjust this. Okay. So market give us first touch, come back again, making it a bottom, double top, and still form another small one around here. Sweep liquidity here. Equal low liquidity, market sweep it, which is market come back again to the zone. Market came back to the origin, give us another break of structure here. Then we're now having another move to the upside. So with this now, I'm more assured that this USD card is going to sell. Coming down to 5 minutes. Now on 5 minutes here, I'm having this other block here before this massive move to the downside. This one. A market has came there. Let me adjust this. I'm going to this one here. Of this 5 minute time frame, right? So this one here, I'm having this. A market is there already. Market is there already. So I'm will be waiting for this equal low here to be swept. When this equal low swept, so I'll be waiting for market to join. So which means I'll be having something like this. I'll be having something like this. After the sweep of liquidity, I'll have something like this. So I'll be having something like this. I'll be waiting for this equal low to be swept, liquidity here to be swept, something like this around here, and market move back to this level here. Market move back to this level here. So then I'll ride it to the downside. So this is what I'll be waiting for on the USD card. This is what I'll be looking for. But mind you, the whole week might be a bearish move. We might be having some retracement along the way, but we're still on bearish. Still on bearish move. So all right. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you have not done that already, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel to help this channel grow. Thank you very much and peace.